birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy
birthday ng Belen. 70 years old na.
Good morning. Happy 70th birthdays ng Belen. Have many years birthdays to come. Padayon sa imong kamaayo na, sa imong pag-alagad sa Ginoo. Tagaan takag maayong panglawas permi. O padayon sa imong pagkabutan. Good luck na. I love you. God bless you all. Regards ko tanan diha. Pag ayo-ayo amping mo diha. Salamat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday ng Belen. Today, we celebrate you, your laughter, courage, and unwavering possibility. May this birthday mark the start of new adventures and treasured memories. You deserve a year as wonderful as your heart. Amen.
Hello, Yeng. Happy birthday. Yeng. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeng. Happy birthday. Dako kay kong daong diri kay buol kayo.
Hello there, Mamila. Happy 70th birthday. I wish you happiness and good health. Cheers to you and many more years ahead. And thank you for all your love and care, Mamila. Enjoy your special day. God bless you. I love you. I miss you, Mamila. Happy birthday, Mamila. Happy birthday, Mamila.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mamila.
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mamila. Happy birthday,
Sing happy
birthday,
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday, Mamila.
Lucas na. Lucas. Happy birthday, Mom. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mamila.
Happy
Birthday,
birthday, Mom.
Mamila.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mamila. Mwah. Happy birthday,
Mamila.
What is one thing that people don't know about Mama? Kay John dito, manimaho ng tanan. May parautot, baho kilikili, tapos baungab. Pero si Mama kay minting John, grabe ka humot. Di man gajud manimaho ang kilikili ni Mama, di sa baungab.
One thing that people don't know about my mom is that she cuts my hair. And she loves doing it too. I love you.
John bitaw, mangita na si Mama ng teleserye, tapos grabe binakadibdib. Nay, maya-maya kay grabe na ka, naghilak na, nagkatawa na. Sa uno ra ka na feeling.
I would say whenever she texts me with, I love you, do. Love you, ma.
Ang pinaka-love na ako kay mama, kay Jaon. Pareho kami naong. Jaon, unconditional love ni mama, patience and understanding, and the way she supports me in everything. Happy birthday, ma. Thank you for being our super ma'am. See what the Lord has done. Mga professionals na kami tanan. Mga US citizens na tanan. Amen. And you are truly God's gift sa family. You are blessed to be a blessing. You are packaged. And we love you, ma. Thank you for everything. And yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma. Ma, salamat sa tanan. Salamat sa imong pagigugma sa amo. Sa among mga magsuon. Salamat sa imong kanunay nga pag-atiman, pag-love sa amo, pag-care. Salamat, ma, kay nagmalig-un ka through ups and downs. Salamat, ma, sa tanang sakripisyo nimo nagibuhat sa amo, ma. Tanan imo gibuhat ang tanan para lang ma-better na mo life, and we're gonna be forever grateful sa imo gibuhat, ma. I'm pretty sure coming here to the United States was not part of your plan as you and Papa started the family. But you know you had to do it, and you did. And salamat sa tanan, ma. Salamat sa imong love, sa imong sakripisyo. Salamat because naa ka always sa among corner, encouraging us, reminding us of things, reminding us of to stay grounded in faith in God and in His Word.
Happy birthday, ma. Salamat ako kay birthday ni mo na Sam. Nagpasalamat ako na sa imong sakripisyo, ma, at sa imong gugma sa amo. Naunaan na jaong ka sa bisan ladyo kami, naunaan na jaong ka sa among nahuna o sa among mga pag-ampo. Salamat sa imong pasensya sa amo, sa imong gugma mo. Hindi gyud mabayaran ang imong tanan na imo para sa amo. And I pray na sa imo good health, more blessings, more birthdays to come, and I love you, ma. I love you so much. I miss you, and God bless you, ma. Happy birthday.